Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can update your password on Ring apps. So let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is, you're in this particular platform which is your dashboard. So from here, just go on this three lines on your top left and then all the way down to account settings. Just go over there. And then just go to this account and security just below phone number and to the password like this, and it will redirect you somewhere. So let's just have some patience guys because it's loading, and you'll be in this account management section. Now all the way down you'll find this password option. Just press on it or go to the update option. Now what you need to do is, firstly you need to verify your account. So let me just verify my account like this. Go with the password and then enter the code sent to your phone number. So it's already here, and now just create a new password. So let me just have a new one. Like this. And just change the password. Loading, so it's asks you to verify. Pick the apple, so you just have it because to confirm that you are not a robot. Change password, so let's retry, and sometimes that may happen. So that's pretty much guys, so let's just try it out if the password has already been done or not. So just go with and then the password which I have just created, and then sign in. And if this signs in, then your password will be, let's say, updated. Ladybug. Okay, done. Signing in. So verify the code that will be sent and having it. Now it's loading. Have some patience guys, patience. Verification successful. So this is how you do it. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.